Today I will show you 5 free apps that you can make money with in 2020. And we're gonna start right now. What's up everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. This channel is all about online entrepreneurship, making money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you how to make money online. We all use our phones to do everything in life, you guys, from banking to shopping to watching movies and handling bills. So why not using our phones to make some money? You can download one or many of the money-making apps on your smartphone for you to engage with as you commute or when you have some time. After all, every dollar counts nowadays, you guys, right? There are many apps today that can help you to make some money, guys, from marketing research apps to mobile advertising apps to sharing economy apps. And I'm going to show you all about them today. All these apps, you guys, works worldwide and work on iOS and Android devices. But some only works on certain countries that I will tell you about in this video. So keep watching till the end. Now, apps definitely won't make you rich by any means, and they won't replace your job, you guys. But many of them, you guys, can give you some ways of earning some extra cash that can pay some bills. And this can be by doing simple jobs, you guys. Now, there are lots of scam apps that ask you for fees to register, or they over-exaggerate the potential earning. So you need to look at the app's rating and read the reviews of the previous users. But don't worry, you guys, I have done the research for you and brought you here all the 5 apps that you can use and earn some cash from. So let's start the countdown with number 5. Number 5 on our list is Google Opinion. Not a lot of people, you guys, actually know that Google has a reward program where you can get paid for answering simple survey questions and voicing your opinion. And you know, anything developed by Google is definitely legitimate, you guys. Google Opinion gives you the opportunity to earn money through completing short surveys that you can do while standing in line or waiting for the subway. And you can get rewards with Google Play or PayPal credits for each one you complete. You will do surveys on all sorts of topics, you guys, from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. And as you can see here, they have close to 5-star reviews, which is really high. So to get started, you guys, simply download the app and answer basic questions about yourself. They will send you a survey around approximately once a week, although it may not be more or less frequent, and you will get a notification on your phone when a short and relevant survey is ready for you. You can receive up to $1 in Play credits for completing these surveys, you guys. And questions can range from which logos is best and which promotion is most compelling to when are you planning on your next travel, you guys. And because your opinion and feedback are really valuable to Google, as many as those big companies out there, you guys, Google is willing to pay you for your feedback to improve on their user experience and their products. Number 4 on our list, you guys, is Swagbucks. This app works in the US and some countries of Europe only, you guys. This is an app also available on iOS and Android where you can get paid for doing simple things such as watching fun videos, shopping top e-commerce sites, answering surveys, exploring and discovering online deals, shopping local deals, and searching the web. Something that you can do in your free time. And you can make money, you guys, as soon as you sign up with Swagbucks, and you can get $10 sign-up bonus. And Swagbucks has been rated above 4 out of 5 rating on both Android and iOS. And it gives you the opportunity to shop and save on thousands of brands that you like. One of the unique features of Swagbucks, you guys, is that it offers numerous opportunities for surveys which lead to more opportunities to make cash, you guys. But do keep in mind that even though there are many opportunities for surveys, you will be disqualified from doing some of them based on your demographics, because it might be related to a specific area or a specific geographic region that doesn't apply to you guys. Another thing is that you can redeem your points for gift cards or cashback from PayPal. And by the way, the cashing out threshold is 2,500 Swagbucks points, which worth $25. So this is another website that you can get paid for doing simple things while you're standing in line or having some downtime on your commute. Number 3, you guys, an app called Foap. Foap is a cool money-making app that pays you on uploading pictures from your smartphone. The idea here, you guys, is that there are thousands of businesses around the world who need royalty-free photos for their products or services. And most companies don't want to hire a full-time photographer to take photos of their products for their business. So what they do is they utilize what's called crowdsourcing, which is buying collective information like photos that is gathered by people like you and use them to complete their business-related tasks. And if a company likes your photo, they will eventually buy it from you. So if you're walking around taking photos with your phone every day, there is a big chance that you will get paid for some of those photos that you have taken, because you guys, you're leveraging one of the largest photo databases out there. Foap has more than 2.5 million photographs in their database, which makes it, of course, the place for thousands of companies seeking stock images for their business. But first, you guys, you need to register an account with Foap, and then you can upload your high quality photo taken from your phone and tag them with tags related to the photo. Then your photo will be rated by the registry community. The higher the rating, the better chance that your photo will be visible to those companies in the search results. And photos that you upload to your Foap profile can sell for $10 each on the marketplace. And Foap take 50% commission, you guys. So you'll end up, you guys, earning $5 for each sold photos. So if you like photography, you guys, and you're sitting in your room and you have a skin cream or lotion on your side desk like Nivea, if you set up your gears and shooting angle and take a good photo of that lotion, upload it, and Nivea likes it, you will sell that photo for $10, you guys. In addition, you guys, there are also missions where brands and agencies will make special requests for images. And recently, those missions have also expanded to include videos. While in an exclusive mission, their price can go up till $60 per photo. I know, you guys, taking good photos can take some time in the beginning to get it right. But if you like photography and you keep taking photos daily and upload it to Foap, you will become expert over time, you guys, and start selling those photos. The Foap app has good rating on both iTunes. They are rated at 4.5 out of 5 and Google Play at 3.5 out of 5 points, you guys. By the way, you guys, if you are watching this video and had previous experience with any of those apps, comment below what was your experience like. How much did you make per hour? And which app would you recommend for people to use? Your comment, guys, is so valuable because each one of us has a different experience. Maybe I had some success, maybe you didn't, or vice versa. So that way, me and people watching this video can benefit from these feedbacks and overview. So share your experience and comment below. Number 2 on our list, you guys, is an application called Field Agent. This application is available in the US and only 7 other countries. And these are Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Mexico, Romania, and South Africa. The way this application works, you guys, is that they deploy shoppers in these countries to share their opinion of businesses around their location by collecting photos, videos, and different information about retail operations, products, and shoppers also, and get paid to do so. So after downloading the application and signing up, you will see a map of your surroundings, your location, and it will show you the closest jobs for you. So you can search for these jobs that's available around you, accept the offer, and then perform the task that's given to you and then get paid. And these jobs, you guys, can be like going to a specific store and taking a picture or a video of a specific product on the shelves, and then answer questions about what you see or think about that product and the store. The idea here, you guys, is that businesses can get feedbacks from the shopper's eyes. How is the products placed? What's going on around it in the store? Whether it's accessible easily to the shoppers. So it's really useful for them to have these feedbacks from people like you going and inside the regular stores and doing regular shops as usual and have your opinion. And this is really cool, you guys, because basically you're doing your regular shopping, going into shops and getting paid for just doing those simple tasks. And they will pay you upon completing the task, PayPal money, within 48 hours of completing that task. Now, finding these jobs can be hard in smaller cities, but if you live in a medium-sized or a large cities, you should be fine finding what you need. The amount of money that you can make with a field agent, you guys, varies greatly. But on average, you can earn between $3 and $8 each time you finish a job, which can take from 10 to 15 minutes. So if you are a community person who like to go out and about in their community and take photos of groceries, then this app is for you. Number one on our list, you guys, is Money App. Money App is a market research app that is ranked number one best reward app that earns you rewards for completing tasks like giving opinion, checking stores, display, mystery shoppers, testing service, endorsement, and free trial participation. You need to open an account first on Money App and start completing tasks to accumulate rewards, which you can in turn redeem for cash using PayPal account. The beauty of this app, you guys, is that you can get paid within 2 or 3 days of redeeming rewards, which is unusual, you guys, in the market research application that typically pay once a month or don't offer cash rewards at all. What's more, you guys, is that the rating of this app is really high on both Android and iOS. So it's 4.7 out of 5 in Google Play and 4.9 in iOS devices. And this comes from 96,000 rating, you guys, which add to the legitimacy of the application. Because a lot of the apps out there, you guys, that claims to make you money don't really have that much of reviews. They may have 5 stars out of 5, but they only have 10 or 20 people reviewing these apps. So there you are, guys. These are the 5 apps that can give you some cash on the go. Remember, you guys, that you need to work for a longer period if you need to earn substantial amount of money. Use these apps, you guys, if you urgently need some cash. But what I recommend for you guys is to use your time wisely and invest it in something that can make you a serious amount of money. Maybe it's taking some courses on investment. If you know about something that you love to do and you can teach people about, perhaps you can make your own course and start selling them. By the way, if you are interested in doing this, I have a video for you that you can check on the link that will appear on the screen here. Or you can do like me, you guys, and learn how I made my first $6,000 online in 3 months, you guys, working only part-time from home in the evenings. And this is by following steps that proven to work, you guys. Yes, it will require work and dedication, time dedication, but it does provide you with the results that you need. So if you guys interested to know more about these steps, check the link in the description below where it says my number one recommendation to make a full-time income online in 2020. Thank you guys for watching. This is Rafat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.